Silikali yena Uthei wa Kuthi Nambee na Kumuithya Kithitu Munini Mweu wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki Nokana Kwoseleela Utongoi Kuma kwi Rigathi Gachagua na ula Unang'uthulilwe kuma Kivilani ni Mbunge Vala Korti ya Yiulu Wekya Itheka Ikoani yela inasiite iseso ye yitwaigwa thini wa utio wa asili atatuma makwani ala methukisia Ikoani ya kuleana na kuvetangwa kuma ofisini kwa Gachagua nimaweta vaitonyeka ofisi wa Munini wa President ukekala wio Uthei kumana na uito wake uthukumi ofisini o na kwa uve na vata President ethiwe na mutethesia kwiana na kativa Nokana Musumbi kwithiwa na ulumu. Benjamin Mwaka ena mauvombe yange.
Koti wa Yiulu ni wanengana Uthei kwa Munini Mweu wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki avithwe na Wekya Itheka ukuliwa Munini wa President Unang'uthulilwe kuma Utongoi ni Rigathi Gachagua wa kuungamia seso thi ni utiola wasomwa ni bench asili atatuma makwani itongoiwe ni Justice Erikogola.
The following orders are hereby issued. 1. The applications for conservatory orders are hereby disallowed. 2. The conservatory orders issued on 18th of October 2024 in Keregoya High Court E015/2024 are hereby discharged and or set aside.
Moreover, the Honorable Attorney General through Senior Learned Counsel Professor Kithure has given an undertaking to comply fully with any orders which would be issued by this court in this matter. As such, we find that the applicants do not stand to suffer any prejudice in the event the conservatory orders are not granted.
Asili anthi no tuo wo muthantha ukwi muthi ni malumilelia ki katiba mwa Munini wa President witoneka kwikala wi Uthei ona vanini na ni wendi wa NND President ethiwe na mutethesia kuma na mawia alama nengetwe ofisini o ki katiba.
Under the current constitutional framework, when the office of the Deputy President becomes vacant, two outcomes flow. First, any functions that were assigned to the Deputy President by the President automatically revert to the President. Second, the functions expressly conferred upon the Deputy President by the Constitution do not revert to the President and cannot be performed by anyone else. In light of the above, we are convinced and hereby find that the current constitutional framework does not envision any scenario in which the office of the Deputy President will remain vacant except during the brief period required to fill such a vacancy. Another equally important provision that adds credence to the above position that the office of the Deputy President cannot be left vacant is Article 146(3) of the 2010 Constitution.
Ngaliko ya usikatani ni alena na utio uthi watavena maunungu nesio maingi mo matane ithukiwa ni asiliano mbe ni ukulio wa undu Professor Kithure Kindiki unavithukiwe ni nzama ya IBC nzama ila kwa uyu tena commissioner na umwe katwa maunungu nesio angi kauta.
Your Lordship, it is on record and I invite the court to take judicial notice that there is a clear non-existence of a crucial state organ that is supposed to oversee the processes of filling of that office in the name of the Independent Electoral and Boundary Commission. If Kithure Kindiki is to be sworn in tomorrow, what will be the import of swearing in a person who has not been verified and approved by the organ that is supposed to do so? Finally, Your Lordship, can this court fold its hands and watch and midwife and babysit a violation of the Constitution? What is the role of the court when it comes to the issue of Article 3 of the Constitution and the question of the sovereignty of the people? Your Lordship, I beg that you hear us. I beg that you grant the conservatory order staying the swearing in of Professor Kithure Kindiki on the basis that he has not qualified to hold that office. Secondly, on the basis that his purported qualification has not been verified by the body that is mandated to do so.
Na nindini wa utio wa vilo ya mituki vala majaja malumililia mayumba niche kuvindwa muungamo maivanga novuluka kuthukumithwa kwa katiba na ivenge hilai elete ulothukumwa President na Munini wake ngaliko yoskatani hono uyo wathi kwatwa kwikia avilo kauta thino wa court wa appeal kutata ya muthia kumusia Kindiki haili ofisini.
Our ruling that has just been delivered addresses these issues succinctly. Not only has the bench gone into great strides to explain the consequences of granting conservatory orders, which is to cause a de facto suspension of a section of the Constitution, we have equally warned against such a practice. To again turn around and grant orders whose effect is the very suspension of the Constitution that we have stated will, in our view, be an absurdity. In any case, since the Court of Appeal is already seized of the matter, as we have confirmed from both sides rather, the parties have an opportunity to move the Court of Appeal accordingly. As such, the applications are all hereby disallowed.
Vilengwa mavo Kuma va musini lovi nyanita wa Benjamin na Mwakam.